All right, fellow camping dads, picture this. You're in the woods, deep in the woods, setting up camp, but you still want to jam out to your favorite tunes. But you need to be able to keep an ear open for when your kid yells, "Dad, look, I found poison ivy." Well, here you go. These are the self-proclaimed world's lightest open ear headphones from Lytmi called the CozyFit. It's a great way to still be able to listen to the music, the podcast, that audio book that you promised yourself you would listen to, while still being able to pay attention to your surroundings.
If you want to watch the full video, just click the link at the bottom.